Boo, please don't save me. I just tried to make the recruiter season 2 face from Squid Game. Boo, please don't save me.
Dati kang bulag. Ngayon nakakakita na. Paano nangyari yun? Si tatay, ilan taon? Sigurado 49 pa lang si tatay?
Dapat ganun pa.
Si tatay?
Ow!
1975 pa.
Together, we're clones. We're clones. Look, we're clones. We're clones. We're clones.
Ay, turn ng audio.
Clones. You know? It was done. Ow. We're clones. We're clones. We're clones. We're clones.
Wala. Tapos ito, ma'am, ilan anak nyo? Tatay?
We're clones. We're clones. We cannot tell you why.
Hindi, yung anak nyo ni tatay, ilan na? Yan pa lang. Pero pang-apat na yan. Ibig sabihin pa dalawang asawa si tatay.
Oh, my bubble. I'm trying to do really cool. Bye. Subscribe and try this filter. You're gonna be a clone.